If you fear facing your true self but crave self-discovery, then Clara's journey with the Mirror of Truth is for you. In a distant kingdom, hidden deep within the royal castle, lay the Mirror of Truth. This magical mirror did more than reflect faces. It revealed true character. Strengths, weaknesses, and untapped potential. Most were too scared to face it, but not Clara. Clara was curious, brave. She decided to look. As she stood before the mirror, she saw her past, her dreams, her fears, and her creativity. The mirror showed her who she truly was. But Clara wasn't ashamed or frightened. She felt empowered. She saw her potential and decided to embrace it. Clara set goals, nurtured her strengths, and worked on her weaknesses. Her courage inspired the entire kingdom. People lined up to see the Mirror of Truth, to discover their potential and strive for self-improvement. The kingdom flourished with honesty and growth. Clara's journey taught us all. True greatness begins with understanding and accepting who you are. So, would you look into the Mirror of Truth?